Hi everyone. This is going to be a short demonstration of how to cancel a process execution on a local atom using VisualVM. On a local atom, if you have a pending process execution, usually what you do if you need to cancel it is to select the Actions menu and select Terminate Process Execution. However, this command sends a message to the Boomi platform that the local atom then has to pick up and act on. That message tells the atom to terminate this process execution. If your atom is very busy or is in a low memory mode, it might not be able to act on that message in a timely fashion. I'm going to show you a more direct approach. I'm going to select View Extended Information. I'm going to copy the execution ID, and then using VisualVM, in which I have a connection to my local atom, I'm going to select the Container Services and then the Execution Manager MBean. I want to go to Operations, and I'm going to select this Cancel Execution operation. This one only requires the execution ID as a parameter. If I click the Cancel Execution button, I see the return value of true. That means that the execution ID that I pasted in was found and it was able to terminate that execution. If I move this out of the way, close the extended execution information and refresh, I'll see that that process execution was successfully terminated. And in the error message, I see process has been manually canceled. Okay, let's do this one more time, and this time we'll use a slightly different operation. I'm going to select the View Extended Information. I'm going to copy this execution ID. And in VisualVM, instead of using this one, I'm going to use this operation. This operation has two parameters. The first one is the execution ID, and I'll paste in the one I just selected. And then I have a reason. I can put in an explanation for the reason that I'm canceling the execution. And I'm just going to type terminated by VisualVM. I'm going to click Cancel Execution, and again I get a true response. If the response here showed me false, that means that the process execution was not found or it was not able to be terminated, perhaps because it had already succeeded. I'm going to click OK, move this out of the way again, close, and refresh. And here I see terminated by VisualVM. That's the message that I put into the reason field. Okay. This works well on a local atom. If I were doing this on a molecule, I have a JMX connection to a molecule, but I only have a connection to node 1. If the process execution were running on, say, node 3, I couldn't send the cancel execution operation on node 1 to cancel an execution on node 3. It doesn't work that way. Because I'm making a connection directly to the Java virtual machine for the node, I can only cancel executions that are running on that node. If you are running process executions on a molecule, typically in the extended information, you will see the node listed here, so you know which node it's running on. VisualVM is used to make a JMX connection directly to the Java virtual machine for an atom or one of the molecule nodes. This will not work for process executions running on the Boomi Atom cloud or on most private clouds. There isn't a way to make that connection. So that's all we have. Thanks for watching.